Michael. He's so sweet. Hey, stop it. That's why I have to keep refilling the cookies. They're for everybody, Frankie, okay? Oh, and thank you for helping Leda Joe with the cookies and the punch. You're so sweet. I'm sorry I'm all wet. Little white glass was over there just sobbing on me, just sobbing. Every time I see him, he's either throwing water on me or crying on me. He doesn't even need a hose anymore to put a fire out. He just cries it out. Oh, I'm so sorry Leda Joe doesn't have a date. You know, but you know what? She'll have a good time. At least Stephen Edmonds isn't here. Good golly, that is the last thing she needs tonight, huh? Look at the disco lights. Ooh, the disco music. This is awesome. I love it. Oh, there's Leda Joe. All right, Leda Joe, you go, girl. Oh, and there's Alexia. All right. Awesome. Oh, hey, and Sophie! She's getting on the dance floor. Where's she with? That's your high school janitor. All right, way to go, Sophie. Awesome. Ooh, and there's Michelle Landon. Look at her. She's got that Pulp Fiction disco going on. Oh, look at Andrew. Look at that. Look at that great Russian dance he's doing, huh?
Yeah. Look who comes now.
What? What did you say?
Look who comes.
Oh no, Frankie. That's Stephen Edmonds. Oh my gosh, I gotta divert him. Leda Joe can't see him.
Fudge nuggets! No!
Oh,
Fudge nuggets!
you think I pushed in too hard? I didn't mean to hurt him.
He'll live.
Leda Joe didn't see him, did she? Oh no, she's still bumping with Alexia. Oh, good.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Poor table.
Poor table. I'm like Alexia.
No, I'm okay. Don't worry about me. I'm good.